Welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. This is a Yin style class which is perfect for when you're short on time but still want to get the benefits of your practice. We'll only be doing one pose, which is caterpillar, so please extend both legs out in front of you and let them be fully relaxed, so not active or engaged. And if you're not comfortable sitting on the ground like this, feel free to prop yourself up on a block or on a pillow. This should make it more comfortable for you. So from here, let your upper body drape and round forward, chin into chest. Your palms are about the level of your knees. We are not trying to reach for the feet at all. And you should immediately begin to feel a stretch somewhere along your spine. But where exactly you will feel it is different for everyone. So you might be feeling a stretch in the back of the neck, or more in your upper back between the shoulder blades, or even more towards your lower back. Whatever you're feeling is fine, it's okay. It's what you need to feel right now. So find your edge and then come into stillness. We will stay here for about 5 minutes. Relax your legs completely. Let your head get heavier and heavier with every breath that you take. Stay exactly as you are, just slightly. Lean a tiny bit over to the left. So I should barely see you moving. This takes the stretch more into the right side of your back. So your chin is a little bit more over the right leg, but just ever so slightly. Let gravity have you fully here and surrender. And now, ever so slightly, come back to center and then taking it over to the right only a few inches. This is a very subtle adjustment and movement, but you notice that the stretch is no more in the left side. Come back to center without moving or changing the posture yet. Just begin to deepen your breath. Deep inhales and exhales, slowing down the breath even more. Keep the head very heavy. Just flip your palms over to press them into the mat, walking your hands back towards your hips, one vertebra at a time. Head is the last thing to come up. Very mindful and slowly here. Draw one leg and then the other in, coming into a seated position. And close your eyes. Observe how you feel after just this one simple pose. What has changed from when you first began this practice compared to right now? Bring your palms to touch at heart center. Thank yourself for making it to your mat today. Take a last deep breath in and out. Namaste. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this class, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with a friend. Practice again with you soon. Namaste.